Welcome back. Today we are making crispy mozzarella cheese sticks with a spicy dip. Here are the ingredients we need. First, let's wash our hands and maintain hygiene. Take chilled mozzarella sticks straight from the refrigerator. Prepare 3 bowls: flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. First, coat the cheese in flour. Then dip it into the egg mixture. Now coat it with breadcrumbs. Repeat the egg and breadcrumb coating once more for a perfect crispy layer. Now fry them in medium hot oil. Fry until golden and crispy. Let's quickly make a spicy dip to go with it. This spicy dip makes it even more delicious. Look at that perfect cheese pull!